Welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to block ads on both your PC and mobile devices. Whether you're tired of intrusive pop-ups or annoying video ads, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need for a clean, ad-free experience. So let's get started. What are ads and why block them? Ads are everywhere, and while they're a primary source of revenue for many websites and apps, they can slow down your device, interrupt your experience, and even compromise your privacy. Blocking ads can speed up browsing, improve your battery life, and give you a more seamless experience overall. Blocking ads on your PC. The easiest way to block ads on your PC is by using an ad blocker extension in your browser. Open your browser's extension or add-on store. Search for popular ad blockers like uBlock Origin or AdBlock Plus and install them. Once installed, these extensions will filter out most ads, including pop-ups and banners, across the web. Modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge come with built-in ad blocksome features. Navigate to the Privacy or Security section in your browser settings and enable features like Block Pop-ups or Block Intrusive Ads. These settings are particularly useful for blocking basic ads without installing additional software. For advanced users, a DNS-based ad blocker like AdGuard DNS or NextDNS can block ads at the network level. By changing your DNS settings to use these services, ads are filtered out before they even reach your device. It's a powerful way to ensure a cleaner browsing experience across all apps and browsers. If you want a comprehensive solution, install dedicated ad hoc solutions software like AdGuard or Blokada. These programs work beyond your browser, blocking ads in all applications, including games and streaming platforms. Once installed, they run in the background, ensuring a smoother, ad-free experience on your PC. Blocking ads on your mobile. The simplest solution for mobile devices is to use an ad blocksome browser, like Brave or DuckDuckGo. These browsers come with built-in ad blockers and provide a seamless, ad-free browsing experience without the need for additional apps. Ad blocking apps like AdGuard or Blokada can be downloaded from your App Store. These apps provide system-wide ad blocking, meaning they'll block ads in other apps, games, and browsers as well. After installation, follow the app's setup instructions to activate ad blocking on your mobile device. For Android users, enabling Private DNS is a quick and effective method. Go to your device's settings, navigate to Network and Internet, and select Private DNS. Enter a provider like DNS@AdGuard.com to block ads at the DNS level. This method doesn't require downloading additional apps and works seamlessly across your device. Additional tips. Ad blockers and browsers frequently release updates to stay effective against new ad formats. Make sure your apps and extensions are always updated. Some VPNs, like NordVPN or Surfshark, offer built-in ad blockation capabilities for enhanced privacy and ad removal. Remember that ads often support free content. Consider whitelisting websites you trust and want to support, while blocking intrusive ads elsewhere. Blocking ads doesn't just improve your browsing experience, it also makes your device faster and more efficient. With tools like browser extensions, ad blockation apps, and DNS-based solutions, you can easily enjoy an ad-free experience on both your PC and mobile devices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Flux for more tech tips and tricks. Got any other ad blocking tips or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, good luck and peace.